What's up, vinyl lovers? Vault Package 68 Third Man Records. Let's unbox this. Vinyl lovers and friend, new day, new record. Vault 68 from Third Man Record. So one thing I love about Third Man, they can package a record. This is really nice packaging. Everything's in there really thick, really tight in there. Like, that's the record in there right now. It's right on top. You got the new trading cards. That's pretty cool too. You have the White Stripes album in there. Yeah, this will be fun to dive into. I'm excited to do that. Boxing the Third Man Records Vault 68 White Stripes Live in Tasmania. This thing is pretty cool. Look at that. That is gorgeous. The artwork on this, it's thick. It's got a nice, really thick, sounds amazing too. This thing sounds friggin' flawless. No pops. Friends at Third Man Records, thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you, Jack. If you're out there tuning in, thanks for the new record. Personally sent it out to me. He was like, hey, this thing's a real treat. This is the Jack White and Eminem live at Thanksgiving for the halftime Super Bowl show. Really excited to get this on vinyl. November 27th, live at Ford Field, 2025. Really cool to see Eminem and Jack White. Michigan represents. From Michigan, from Detroit. Detroit, Michigan's about right there. Michigan represent. Hope those Michiganders are doing good because their music's great. Love me some Michigan music. But it came with these trading cards too. These little trading cards, these custom trading cards. Pretty cool cards, little trading cards, and there's little things on the back. Vinyls itself too. It comes with three different vinyls, and these are stacked. It's 33 different songs, all on 3 different vinyls, just stacked with music. So this was also pressed in Third Man Records, Michigan. Represent Michigan again. Been to Third Man Records, Michigan. It's a lot of fun. You can tour where they make the vinyls and things like that too as well. So, and when you're done with the tour, they give you like a little 45 to go home with. So it's definitely worth, if you're in Michigan, check out the Third Man Records vault. It's cool to see everything going on there. It's really clean. It's really fun. Yeah, I think it's vinyl heaven, you know? Lots of vinyls out there. Thanks, Jack, for all those vinyls. Back to this puppy. This puppy just sounds... One of my favorite things on this vinyl was Party of Special Things by Captain Beefheart. They do a killer cover on this vinyl. Really, really great cover on this. Just hard rock. It's like just straight hard rock. This was White Stripes live in Tasmania, January 31st, 2006. Hobart City Hall. Live at the Hobart City Hall. Really dug this album. Really sounds great all the way through. Third Man always does a good job with the vaults. And again, they do like some subscriptions and things like that. This is the first time they had the trading card. All as far as a review on this album, solid all the way through. There's no pops. It is just, if you want some White Stripes, raw White Stripes, shredding, just Jack White giving his all. He's screaming some parts, really just giving his heart out. Fantastic. It's like an hour and 30 minutes. I don't know. It's a very, very long set, almost 2 hours of just shredding music. They're playing their best. So if you're looking for some raw White Stripes, I know there's a lot of vaults things out there, but this one right now has been one of the best ones I've heard. Live at Tasmania. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see some more about music, listen to more about music. I love just talking about music. Put in the comments your favorite White Stripes song, but subscribe. Check you on the flip side.